When it comes to high-performance computing, few upgrades transform your workstation quite like memory, and the NEMIX RAM 1TB DDR5 5600 MHz ECC RDIMM Kit is designed to do exactly that. Imagine unleashing the full potential of your professional rig with 8 sticks of 128 GB each, pushing your total system memory to a massive 1 TB. This is not consumer-grade memory. This is server and workstation class, built for engineers, creators, AI researchers, and anyone dealing with massive data processing. So what makes this kit special? First, it's DDR5 at 5600 MHz, delivering faster bandwidth and lower latency compared to DDR4. That means higher throughput when handling large simulations, rendering complex 3D projects, running AI training models, or managing virtualization environments with hundreds of processes running at once. Second, it uses ECC-registered DIMMs, or error-correcting code memory. This ensures stability by automatically detecting and correcting errors, which is critical in professional workloads where a single memory error can corrupt results or crash systems. With registered modules, you're also able to scale memory to extreme capacities, something unbuffered consumer RAM can't handle. The design of this kit also meets enterprise standards with 4 ranks per module, ensuring compatibility with advanced motherboards such as the ASUS Pro WS-WRX 90E Sage SC. If you're investing in a workstation powered by AMD's Threadripper Pro platform, this kit is tailored to match that beast of a processor, giving you consistent and reliable performance across long sessions of heavy computing. What about heat and power efficiency? Each module runs at just 1.1 volts, which is impressive considering the density of 128 GB per stick. That means even at 1 TB of total capacity, you're not facing excessive power draw or unnecessary thermal load. In fact, efficiency is one of the standout features of DDR5 as a generation, and NEMIX makes sure it's tuned for demanding professional workflows. Now think about the scenarios where 1 TB of RAM becomes a game changer. Running huge AI models and frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, you won't be bottlenecked by memory. Processing terabytes of simulation data in engineering or medical research, you can load it directly without constant disk swapping. Working with ultra-high-resolution video editing, multi-layer compositing, or VFX rendering, the entire project can stay in memory, making rendering times dramatically faster. Virtual machines? You could comfortably spin up dozens of full desktop environments without even touching swap. The reliability factor can't be overstated. ECC memory ensures data integrity across workloads that may run for days or weeks. In scientific or enterprise contexts, you want results that are accurate and reproducible, not corrupted by memory hiccups. That's where NEMIX excels. Enterprise-grade reliability in a kit that maxes out what most workstation motherboards can handle. Installation is straightforward. Since these are RDIMMs, you need to make sure your board supports them, which is why NEMIX explicitly lists compatibility with high-end workstation motherboards like the ASUS Pro WS-WRX 90E Sage SC. Once installed, the system recognizes the full terabyte of capacity, and you're ready to take advantage of extreme multitasking and data handling power. In short, this kit is not for casual gamers or everyday office setups. This is for professionals who need extreme memory bandwidth, reliability, and capacity. If you're building a workstation for AI, 3D design, simulations, or enterprise-grade server use, the NEMIX RAM 1TB DDR5 ECC RDIMM Kit should be at the top of your list. You're not just buying memory, you're investing in stability, speed, and scalability for the future. Check out the NEMIX RAM 1TB DDR5 ECC Registered Server Memory Kit through the link in the description to see the latest pricing and availability.